Making nature documentaries changes from day to day, depending on the animal being filmed. Some are aggressive, some are elusive. Lots are impossible, a few are curious.
Come say goodbye.
And then there's this one, who is serene, cooperative, and downright polite. All qualities we don't often associate with a shark. A whale shark. The Magical Land of Oz crew is joining forces with the Australian Institute for Marine Science for a very special week chasing whale sharks off Ningaloo Reef in Western Australia. Mark Meakin is leading the scientific mission to tag and identify Ningaloo's sharks.
Why they're coming here, we don't really know. We think it's something to do with the food, but nobody really knows if that's the case. So we're out here to find out.
Let's go find some whale sharks.
For cinematographer John Shaw, an underwater specialist, this is a dream job.
It feels fantastic to be back at Ningaloo. It's such a special place, and we're looking to try and get some really unique behaviour, which is always tough with an animal as elusive as a whale shark.
A spotter plane helps to locate the huge ocean wanderers.
As soon as you see something, you'll radio through and it's all action stations.
Particularly exciting for me because I've never swum with whale sharks, so this is going to be a first and I'm pretty excited to be here.
Okay, a whale shark just popped up at your 4 o'clock, about 600 metres away, travelling south.
Roger that, we're on our way.
Suddenly, it's all hands on deck. John must move carefully to avoid spooking the whale shark and to give him a better chance at smooth shots. This juvenile, yes, this is a small one, will descend if it feels threatened. Luckily, it just appears curious about the crew. Circling slowly, it not only accommodates John and his camera, but oh so politely hangs around for the scientists to get their DNA samples as well.
That is one very compliant shark. Yeah, that's just a fabulous shark to work with. Very, very quiet, very calm. Yeah, it's just a great experience to be in the water with too. Wonderful.
Able to manage to get some really nice tight shots, eye shots, gill shots, inside the mouth.
But this dream run is short-lived. Suddenly, none of the sharks seem in any mood to play.
Come on guys, we get the next one.
But maybe it's not our crew scaring them away. An orca, or killer whale, has entered the feeding grounds. And whale sharks are suddenly nowhere to be seen.
What always happens, we find, is when orcas turn up here, the sharks just disappear. So orcas have been seen eating whale sharks. They usually don't both turn up in the same place at the same time. We're here for the whale sharks, not the orcas.
The crew is forced to call it a day. And it's probably not the last time a killer whale will interrupt shooting. The next morning, the orcas have moved on, and the whale sharks are relaxed enough to hang with these humans.
Right here, just saw a tail fin out. Got him?
And the most delightful interaction of all is with an old friend. A super friendly shark known as Stumpy.
He's called Stumpy, of course, because he's missing the top half of his tail fin, probably taken off by a boat strike. That's, I guess, one of the problems for these animals. They spend a long time at the surface of the water and they're very prone to boat strike.
And by week's end, the trip has been a triumph for everyone on board.
We've recovered all the tags, and that's a really big thing, so that's fantastic. So we're sitting on this gold mine of data now that we're going to spend quite a few months working up. It's been a great trip.
Yeah, some great stuff actually. We had Stumpy come up, we've had krill, we've had just tons of whale sharks. It's been absolutely stunning. It's been great.
Yeah, it was my first time ever swimming with a whale shark, so I was pretty excited to be in the water. You can't even describe how big they are until you get up close to them and see them for yourself. It was pretty magical.
You can find the full Magical Land of Oz series on ABC iView.